Hey everyone, Don Cortez here with First Impression Print and Marketing. Wanted to bring you a quick video on a trailer that we just got finished with. This is for Captians Wood Fire Pizza. Yes, they do make pizzas out of this trailer, and they are fantastic pizzas. I don't know if you've had a chance to get one yet, but certainly do so. We did wrap this in a 3M vinyl, gloss vinyl, along with the lamination, like we do all of our vehicles. We do take great pride in the way that we do our installs. If you can see the black screws on there, we actually take all those screws out, put the vinyl on, and then put the actual screws back in and redo it. We do take fenders off. As you can see the fender there, take that off, put the vinyl behind it, put the fender back on. Just make sure that things are done the correct way so you don't have any leaks or seal problems. And as you can see the back of this does tend to be a rolling billboard for this client. He's at many events around the county, and if you want to look him up, certainly do so. You'll be able to recognize the graphic on the trailer. And if you have any questions or you have a vehicle that you need wrapped, we can do vehicles, truck wraps, semis. We actually can do inside decals. Anything that you would want a graphic printed on and put onto some type of a surface, you can give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Again, First Impression Print and Marketing, 517-546-9798. Thanks very much and have a great day.